Hey, this is Michael from 256 Mike. Okay, this is how you replace a water pump on a Dodge Neon. Very simple. There it is. The screws, you tighten them up to 105 pounds of torque. Not less and not more than that. Exactly 105 pounds of torque. Because what happened is this. Let me show you. This is the old one. You see the old one right there? Old one was still good. I just wanted to put a new one because doing a head job on it. Okay, you see the rubber seal around it? You don't put no silicone, sealant, nothing. Just the rubber seal. And then 105 pounds of torque. It's very simple. You have to remove, you got to remove the plastic cover and all that stuff to get to it because it's attached to the timing bell. You see? The timing bell goes on her. So if you're replacing the water pump, you might as well replace the timing bell. Because if your water pump is leaking or making squeaky noise or anything, then guess what? Your timing bell is right around the corner. And then you have to do double the job. All right, this is Michael. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up.